you're not careful. Because then important file becomes unusable. That leads to data loss. Another one, which is number 2, is system slowdown. Example is a SARS virus which slow down your system performance significantly. The effect is that the infected computer operates much slower than usual. What have we discussed so far? We're talking about computer virus. In case you didn't meet the next class, I don't know if you think out. I've said that computer virus, example of them is malware, and it tries to replicate itself by modifying other computer program and inserting its own code. Now when it does this replication, if it succeeds, the affected areas are then said to be infected with the computer virus. And we say it has an effect. There's a goal behind it, which is one, data corruption, to corrupt your data. We give an example like CIN virus, which is also known as Chernobyl, and these corrupt data or infected computers. What's the effect of Chernobyl? So that the effect is that important files become unusable, leading to data loss. Okay. So the next one is your system slow down. Example of that is the SARS virus. Its goal is to slow down system performance significantly. The effect is that the affected computer operates much slower than usual. And another one is unauthorized access. Example is the Zeus virus, which allows attackers to remotely control the affected computer. Now had access to your computer, even if you authorize that access. The effect is that hackers can now steal personal information, such as your password, your bank details, like your credit card details, and may likely swindle you if you're not careful. So, I also have another one that deals with frequent crashes. Example of that is the Bioxstar virus that causes the system to crash frequently. Every day you had this crash, you keep on complaining. The effect is that the computer becomes unstable and unusable. We have another one again that deals with loss of functionality. Example of that one is the SOBIG virus. These try to disable essential system functions. And what is the effect? Users may be unable to access important applications or perform some tasks. You click on it, it's just opening, you keep on running without opening, or the time you don't have authorization to open this file. So these are problem. Another one is spreading to other systems. A good example of that kind of virus is the MyDoom virus that spread rapidly via email. The effect that the virus affects other systems, causing widespread damage. Okay, so there are so many of them. You can exhaust the list, but we'll mention few. So how viruses spread? 1. Email attachment. Example, the person send you the email. There's what we call Melissa virus, and they spread via infected email attachment. How does it spread? Users open infected attachment, unknowingly spreading the virus. Enough for it, another person open it. The virus is just keep on spreading from one place to the other. Another one is infected software downloads that come from download. Example is the fake IV, the fake AV virus. This is spread through fake antivirus software downloads. If you went to the tool, this is an antivirus software, you don't know much about it, well, your system is already giving you a problem. You went ahead and download it. Then you are in for a long thing. If it happens to be from the other people. Yeah. So how does it spread? Users download and install infected software thinking it's legitimate antivirus. Okay. We also have the removable media. Example of that one is the Stuxnet virus. This spreads through infected USB drives. Its spread is that users plug in infected USB drives and spreading the virus to their computer. Another person connect the actual USB drive, plug it, and also spread the virus to his own computer. So another one is network propagation. Example of that one is a conflict virus that spread through network vulnerabilities. Okay, how does it spread? The virus exploits network security weaknesses to infect multiple systems. Most times these are done by hackers. Okay, don't worry if you don't know much about hacking. Maybe later on you may even be a hacker. But remember, we have a good hacker and a bad one. But please be a good one, the one that will build your society and contribute to the world at large. We also have the malicious website. Example of that one is a black hole exploits kit that spread virus via infected websites. How does it spread? Users visit a compromised website, we then download and execute the virus, especially those pornographic sites. Another one is file sharing network. Example of that is a cancer virus that spreads through peer-to-peer file sharing networks. How does it spread? Users download infected files from file sharing networks. Whoever downloads it is spread through the networks. Symptoms of computer virus, so we are moving on now. 1. Unexpected pop-ups. Example, the hardware virus causes numerous pop-ups as you are clicking, you are clicking virus, you are installing virus. So frequent unexpected pop-up advertisements appear. Be careful of those things. Slow performance. Example, the Trojan downloader virus significantly slowed down system performance. And the system is that the computer operates much slower than usual. Now one is frequent crashes. We talk about that one. The Buster worm causes the system to crash frequently. I will state the symptoms that the computer crashes or restart unexpectedly. It frustrates the owner that sometimes you feel like you want to throw the computer away. Unusual network activity. Example of that one is the spybet virus that sends large amount of data over the internet. What is the symptom? Unusual spikes in network activity or data usage. We also have the one of programmer opening and closing automatically. Program opening and closing automatically. Example of that is a NIMDA virus that open and close application without user intervention. You just see your files are open, files are closed, you just became frustrated. Symptom, programs open and close by themselves. We also have the missing or corrupted files. Example of that kind of virus is the CIN virus, which corrupts and deletes important files from your own system without you deleting it. You'll be searching for the files, you can't get the file, you can say, this file is here. What happened to this file? Man, you are in for a long thing. Symptom, file disappear or become corrupted and unusable. So let's now go to prevention of viruses in a computer. Having discussed much about computer virus, how do you prevent it? The first and safest way is to use safe antivirus software. Example, install and regularly update antivirus software like Newton and McAfee. Okay, a good one, not a crap one. Prevention: scan and remove viruses before they can cause damage. Another one is a regular software update that we'll talk about when I talk about computer maintenance. Example, keep the operating system and application up to date. And this prevents security patches, if it's vulnerability that viruses can exploit and use to work. Avoid opening suspicious email attachments. Mostly those messages that are too good to be true. Eldorados of a message. Don't open them, okay? Do not open email attachment from unknown or untrusted source. What is the prevention? You reduce the risk of opening and spreading email-borne viruses, and so you protect your computer and that of your loved one, your vital information. Download software from trusted sources. Go to Google, go to Trustpilot, find out about software before you download it. Only downloaded software from reputable websites is the best and better. Okay? Prevention. This reduces the risk of downloading infected software. And the future one is your use of firewall. Always make use of your firewall and update your firewall. Example, enable the built-in firewall on your operating system. This helps to block unauthorized access to your computer. So they have their duty. Forget that sometimes they keep on asking you things and rejecting many things that come from you. Still, man, allow it. Don't disable it, okay? Regular backup is also a must. Example, regularly backup important data or external drive or cloud storage. So if anything is corrupted, you can easily delete or scan it, remove all the virus, and then reinstall. Prevention. Ensure you can restore your data if a virus causes data loss. So what have we learned so far? We've learned that data corruption system slow down. We have learned about data corruption, learned about system slowdown, unauthorized access, frequent crashes, loss of functionality, spreading to other systems. That all these are types of what? Viruses that might affect your computer. We told you how viruses spread, that sometimes through email attachment, through infected software downloads, through removable media like your USB, network propagation, malicious websites, file sharing on the networks, and stuff like that. We also discuss with you about symptoms of computer virus, like unexpected pop-ups, slow performance, frequent crashes, unusual network activity, programs opening and closing automatically at the same time without you doing anything or clicking anything, missing or corrupted files. All these are symptoms of what? Computer virus. If your computer got exhibiting any of these features, then suspect computer virus. I didn't say it's computer virus, I say suspect, because other things could also be the reason. We also talk about prevention of viruses on the computer. We say that the best key remains the use of antivirus software that is legit, regular software updates, avoid opening suspicious email attachments, download software from trusted sources, and use firewalls. And secondly, or the last of all, regularly back up your files. So by understanding this aspect of computer viruses, you can take effective measures to protect your computer and data from malicious users, okay, or threats. If you have any further question or need more detail, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. So we are gradually coming to the end of theory, but it's not the end anyway. We still take like 1 or 2 more for end the theory. So in our next class, we go to introduction to Windows. We'll talk a little bit about Windows, okay? See you in our next class. But meanwhile, let me show you what we did. Computer viruses. AVJ is there, McAfee is there. These are antivirus. You see, it's like a key. It locks your computer, okay? It always makes antivirus. And don't forget to regularly update your system, okay? Don't forget those ones. So one time, just feel free, go to Google this thing out, and learn more from there. See you in our next class. Thank you.